Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this kind of like smart night table, light table, this light coffee table, call it whatever you want or however you want. This thing that this brand sent to me for this video, it is fantastic. I have to say that it's so cute, so cozy, and it also has something that is really cool like on top, which has kind of like it's not glass, it's acrylic, but it's gonna give it like a really nice and modern look. You also have a phone charger, a wireless phone charger. So this can be a nice nightstand or also kind of like a coffee table or a side coffee table on the side of your sofa, which I think is going to be really cool to have. But then let me turn off the lights a little bit so you can kind of like see some of the good features of this one. Okay, check it out. This is going to be your table. It's actually really heavy, which is a good thing. This base is super heavy. So it's a good thing that it's heavy because this is supposed to be a coffee table. This is how it's going to look like. And that's actually the phone charger. But this one, it is really, really cozy. I have to say that with the top, which is kind of like with that really nice transparent acrylic, looks really, really nice. But then check this out. It has kind of like a touch panel here. So with just the touch of a button, which is not a button, it's just like the touch thing. So right here, if you keep pressing, you're gonna dim the light, which I think it is super nice. Check this out. Really cozy and nice light over there. And if you keep pressing again, you're gonna get it to the max brightness again. And just with one click, you turn it on and off. I think this thing, it is super modern, really good looking. It has the transparent panel over there with also the phone charger. And it's just like heavy and stable and firm. And it has this really nice cozy ambient light, which I think it is super nice. I do like it. I do recommend this one. Easy assembled in just minutes. Super, super easy. It's not complicated at all. And of course, it has the touch panel that it looks so fantastic.